Nice.
I'm gonna craft a car.
Crafting. Give me a sec.
Does anybody want the PK?
Shotgun peacekeeper here.
I have one.
Oh no. What are we doing, Terry? I have one bot. I might just make another bot. Am I gonna try the new legend? Of course I will. I don't think that she's gonna be like insane and a lot of people are gonna be like using her. Again, I just don't know like all of her abilities, so...
Not all of us are in the ring. Check your maps.
Crafting over here. My mother would love hearing me say that.
Attention, delivering replicator.
Replicator incoming. Now, what to create?
And yeah, light mag. When does she come out again? On Tuesday, right? Okay, so what are we doing?
Just chilling. Socializing.
Son, I'm literally doing it right. Son, I'm literally doing it like right behind you. How is he going so much faster than me? Sean can't do this. He doesn't know this new movement tech.
I can.
Oh my god, next time we
Just
get
choose
scanned.
not to.
Next time we get scanned, we should all three just start moving like that. That actually be so
Crawl
funny.
and see your skin. You know, just like,
I think we're
back in this
demons.
building, we're good. Demons or something. Dude.
It's hard to do it like uphill.
Should I take his ult away or should I just beam him up there?
Beam this kid. He's flash. I'm going on the bridge. Going on the bridge.
Obi. Obi.
I'm getting on the bridge. Nobody better fucking die. Oh, they're all right here. Item 60.
Battle.
I don't even know. That box is literally zooming.
Charging up my shield.
Oh, there's another team. Oh, what the fuck? He's in the building. He's in the door.
Firing missiles.
I'm gonna portal us back.
Reloading.
Portal placed.
That was almost very scary. Stan's in this building.
I think they're rezzing on that door, no?
Taking fire.
Stan, you're muted.
Slap.
Oh, I'm getting fucked. I got fucked by the other team side on my cross. They just hit all their shots.
One drop! Behind you!
I'm here.
Stan has gold bag.
Your team.
I'm grounded.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading.
Run, play your life.
Got our squad mate's banner.
Oh, hi. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought it was a different team. It's the same team. Why was he sitting on the door?
No, that's a different team. It's 3 people.
No!
I go to sleep now.
Okay, you got my miss. Good night, Stan. Thanks for the game.
Good night, Mel.
Good
Good
night.
night, Sean.
Good night, good night.
Hold on.
What?
Alright, now good night. I'm just opening Discord. Alright, good night.
Good night.